Hi, I just thought I'd provide a quick shop update on Sirius's project progress this week. As you can see, we've got the transom just about finished. We're going to have a layer of mahogany go over all of that this coming week. And you can see the boat's covered up right now. And that's because Ted, who has his project in the shop with the Alden Design sailboat that I mentioned, he's shooting it with Awlgrip right now. So it's been primed, but we of course cover everything up because there's so much uh, paint that flies around the shop when we're doing this. Right now what I have uncovered is the deck repair. My plans today are to fair that out, and then on the deck proper, put a layer of fiberglass over the repairs that I made. So that's what we got going on. I'll keep you updated. Things are moving in the right direction, and we'll see how far we get this week. Thank you. Oh, and another thing that I wanted to mention is I don't have too much experience um, spraying boats. Much of what I've done has been, traditional painting on wooden boats. But Ted, um, who, as I mentioned in another video, was in the marine business for 40 years, is known to be one of the best painters in the industry. So I'm taking the opportunity to shadow him and pick his brain and learn some skills. And hopefully I can apply that new knowledge to Sirius when the time comes. And as I pan over, there's the deck repair, or one of them, that I'm going to fair down today and get some glass on it. Thanks again for listening. I appreciate it.